Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the voice within your audio clips on the Inshot editing app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Inshot application on your device, and once you open it up, you can start creating any new project or open up any of your old one from your drafts. After opening your project and adding your desired clips to your timeline, you may also add any audio clip by tapping on audio. From here, you can record your own custom audio clip by tapping on the record icon. After recording your desired audio or adding your desired music or sound effects, if you wish to change your voice, simply tap on this audio clip and then scroll to the right. You will now see the voice effect option. Go ahead and tap on it, and you can now choose from various different character voices and hear the preview on how it sounds. Once you have found your desired voice, tap on the tick mark in order to apply this filter, and now your voice will be changed based on the filter that you selected right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your voice within the Inshot editing app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.